Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today we are facing tropical storm Gamma. Rain, rain, rain.
Almost all hurricanes in this hurricane season had not reached Mexico, but only the Caribbean and the southeastern parts of the United States. This time, however, tropical storm Gamma had come into the top of the Yucatan Peninsula.
I couldn't sleep last night because the wind was just so strong. You could hear the whole building. We have winds as strong as 70 miles per hour. It's more than 100 kilometers per hour. But let's go out on the balcony and see how strong the wind actually is. Oh! Oh! But this does not necessarily have to be a bad thing, because it means that nobody is by the pool today, so we can go and do some pool tricks in privacy. Maybe I will also go swimming in the ocean. The waves look huge, look. The building is shaking. Now we will get the pool trick outfit and finally perform some pool tricks. It would be nice to swim in the sea also. The waves look so huge. Now we have to change into the pool trick outfit. Oh, I am ready for some pool tricks. Oh, oh. We are ready now for some pool tricks. Oh, finally, it's time again. Pool tricks. Pool tricks. It's finally time for a proper pool trick session in privacy. And what better way do we have to do it besides from in the tropical storm Gamma? The storm is here. Storm is here. The storm is coming, my friends. The storm is coming. Oh, the wind was so strong over there, I could barely walk. Swimming in the storm. Actually, I'm done with this storm. I don't want to go outside anymore. We're just gonna stay inside all day, no frying, nothing.
A few hours later.
We're gonna go out to the OXXO, the convenience store, and buy some chips. I just wanna buy chips when the weather is shit. So I'm gonna show you what the road looks like, also in the roads. So come with me, my friends. Come along with me, and I ease your pain. I ease your pain.
It's actually not all that bad. The wind is not so strong anymore. I think maybe the storm has already passed.
Which is a great success, and it's not raining anymore, so we're gonna go into the store here and buy some chips. Nom, nom, nom. Came back with the chips and the milk. Hello, everybody! I actually didn't do much today. I came back after my swimming outside, and I was just sitting in here, just so bored all day. It was not fun. Life is so much better when the weather is good. That's why I've been here in Mexico for so long. Usually the weather has been perfect here, like all year almost. But I just heard on the news that in the month of October, that's when the hurricanes start to go more west into the mainland of Mexico. Because up until this point, there has been like no hurricanes here. There was one in May, but between May and until now, the weather has actually been really good. And I didn't expect that, but that's actually a good thing to know. But now this Hurricane Gamma came in. But anyways, it's the end of the hurricane season here in the Caribbean in Mexico now, because it ends at the end of October. And after that, the weather is gonna be really perfect. From November until May, there will be also no seaweed in the ocean or in the sea, and no rain. Something also worth mentioning is that there have been 24, I think I was reading on the news, 24 tropical storms here in the Caribbean just between May and up until now. And I have only experienced, this is the second one, so this is actually a perfect place to be. Much better to be in Mexico here, mainland of Mexico, instead of the Caribbean. Like between May and November, there's no point to be in the Caribbean because the weather has been shit there. So many storms. Here has not been affected almost at all, so that's a good thing to know. But thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. Thank you. Please, if you liked the video, you might not have liked the video, but if you liked it, please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time, my friends. See you next time.